My name is Brad Hall. I am really excited about this video because I got to work with Nike on a really cool project. So the idea for this project was to surprise someone with a custom pair of shoes. This person should be someone that's important to me. My first thought was myself, but Nike wouldn't let me choose myself, so I picked someone who's tied for that top spot in my heart, my fans. Now, it was tough to pick just one person, but I managed to do it, and I picked Instagram user June_York. She sent me a really nice message. She invited me to her coffee shop to have a cup of coffee, and it made me feel special, so I thought I'd return the favor. Now, the second part of this project, the person I should pick, they should have an important event coming up in their life, something that they could use, that extra boost of confidence that having a new pair of shoes really gives you. For June_York, the important event coming up in her life is meeting me. So that's the gist of this project. Nike offers a ton of options for customizing shoes. So I wanted to get to know June_York personally so I could make a really good shoe for her. To do that, I used the internet. It's really incredible what you can tell about a person just from their online presence. For instance, I noticed that she had a lot of black and white photographs, so I started thinking she probably likes black and white photographs. I could also tell she enjoyed skulls, and she once wore a yellow dress, so that was all good information, and I felt like I was really starting to get to know her. The only thing I couldn't find out about her from the internet was her shoe size, and believe me, I tried. So what I did, I searched the average adult American woman shoe size. It said it was about an 8.5 or a 9. I decided to play it safe, make sure she fit into those shoes. I went with a woman's 12. I felt like I had enough info now to start designing the shoes. Because of all those black and white photographs, those were kind of old seeming. I went with an older model, the Air Max 90. I went with the model that had the new Pendleton options. I went with multiple shades of brown because I knew she worked at a coffee shop, and coffee does tend to be brown. The Nike swoosh, a muted bronze color that looked kind of yellow, like that dress she wore once. Desert sand and sail colors, that was for all the skulls. And black and blue, that was because I closed my eyes and picked whichever color I landed on. Now, the cherry on top of this apple pie, you can add some writing to the shoe, really personalize it for someone. I went with Brad Hall. I think she's really gonna like that. So that's how I got to this point, and now I'm gonna open up this shoe. Oh my, it's even better than I thought it would be. I love the brown here, the brown there, and the brown here. The Pendleton feels so nice on the toe box. It even has this little Pendleton tag letting you know. The pull tab, the black and blue, gum sole. The skull colors look really nice. Brad, and then Hall. Now that I've seen these in person, I'm even more excited to give them to her. I know she's gonna love them because I know so much about her after all that research. June_York.
Oh my god.
Thank you so much for messaging me.
Oh, hi. You're welcome. Okay, go for it.
Thank you so much. I just want to say it means so much to me that you messaged me and you invited me here,
Yeah.
and that you're a fan.
I'm a huge fan.
It just means so much, and I wanted to show my appreciation. So I got you something.
Oh my god, did you design
I designed these just for you.
Oh man, these are beautiful. Wow.
I'm so glad you like them.
They're the Air Max? Oh, so cool.
I tried to really get details that you would like into this.
Okay.
I saw that you worked at a coffee shop.
That's right.
And so I went with some browns for the coffee. I knew that you once wore a yellow dress. So the Nike is a little bit yellow. And then I put Hall on this one.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
And I put, the other one has, this one has Brad on it.
Oh my god.
They're really comfortable. I did try them on already. I wasn't sure what size you were, and I tried to guess. It's a women's size 12,
Oh wow.
a US 12. Is that your size?
I'm half Thai, so I've got small feet.
Okay.
I am a woman size 7.
Oh, okay. So these are way too big. I'm so sorry.
No, no worries.
If that's too big, you don't have to keep them.
Oh.
It's up to you.
Oh well. I guess they do have your name on them, and they're your size, so you should keep them. But thank you for thinking about me.
You would let me have these?
I guess. Thanks.
I came here thinking that I was going to show my appreciation for you, and it turns out that you showed your appreciation for me. I'm going to put this back in, and sorry. The bag is Thank you again. Have a good day.
Okay, Brad, it was good to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Bye. Thanks for the shoes.
No problem, Brad. Anytime.
Everything went perfectly. It was really nice to finally meet June_York. She really loved my design. That meant a lot to me. The coffee was good. Just everything went really, really well. And if I had to pick the best part of it all, I would probably say it was that I got a chance to get June_York's actual shoe size. And earlier today, I delivered those shoes to her. I think she was really happy to get them, and I know I felt good giving those shoes to her. This whole project, it was an amazing experience. I'm really grateful to have the opportunity to do this, and I think it's one of those rare instances where if I were to go back and I was able to change one thing about how it went, I wouldn't change anything. It really did work out perfectly.